Pipin was a little bird who lived on a tree nearby a lake.
How dull your life must be, Pipin.
Said the seagull one day, just flying from tree to tree without ever seeing anything else. Look at me. I travel everywhere from the sea to the wide open space.
That's true.
Pipin sighed.
I do not care what anybody says. I will fly away from here right away. I can't stand dull life a moment longer.
Pipin felt so excited that he flew towards the stream, then to the river flowing down to the sea.
Wonderful.
He quite forgetting how tired he was after such a long journey. When Pipin first reached the sea, it looked much more beautiful than the small lake. But when he searched for a place to rest and something to eat, things were quite different. On the advice of another seagull, he perched on the mast of a ship.
This is terrible.
He thought.
The trees back home did not move like this.
Then, for the first time, he had tasted the fish. Ah! He quite indigested.
I could never eat that.
Then he thought living in the small lake was not as bad as he thought.
If you like this story, then press the bell icon and become our subscriber. Thanks for watching.